The first one is on the elections of special interest groups. Like we have indicated to you, fellow citizens, the regime is in panic, the regime is in fear. That is why in these elections, the youth elections, in over 80% of the districts, the National Unity Platform candidates were challenged in many instances. In many districts, some of our candidates were not nominated at all. In some cases, the electoral commission officials would claim to be going for lunch and not return to pick the nomination papers. In some other cases, they simply said that those are NRM elections. And that happened in districts, especially in Ankole sub-region and others, where they were saying that these are elections for NRM. And so they were saying that the people who are in the NRM register automatically are the ones who are going to be included in the youth register and all that. Here in Kampala, you saw what they did, and in many parts of Buganda, where they deployed goons, who some people call hoodlums. That is very complicated English, I know, but it's okay. They deployed them to beat up our people, our candidates, and some actually got severe injuries. What we did as a party, we took a step and complained formally to the Electoral Commission, and they conducted a hearing last week. These elections are supposed to be happening on Thursday this week. As I speak now, we have not gotten a ruling from the Electoral Commission. You can imagine. Today is a Tuesday. The campaign period for the youth elections has already ended, and some of our candidates were not nominated at all. We complained, like I said, and so our demand to the Electoral Commission was that they should reopen, at least give 2 days for nominations and give 2 more days for campaigns. Because now our candidates, and that's not just for the youth election, that happened also for the older persons and PWDs. So, the NRM, as you know, before NUP came on the scene, these elections, NRM had decided to completely take them over and, in fact, block everybody else from participating in them. But when we came as the National Platform, we insisted that these are national elections and we must participate in them. So because of that panic, that is how they have decided to respond. So as a party, we are trying to study this issue, and we have told the Electoral Commission that if they do not adhere to what we have said, we are going to take legal action. Because many of our candidates ended up not being nominated. And this happened in Yumbe, it happened in Soroti, it happened in Koboko, it happened in Bushenyi, and many other districts. What the Electoral Commission did, even for that hearing, they called us on one evening and said that the following day by 10 a.m., you should come and present your case. And we asked them, how do you expect us to mobilize all these people from other parts of the country to be able to do that? So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it.